down the middle like that, quarter it up. We're gonna keep the seeds in because they're gonna get all crispy, and we're gonna put those over the salad. Cover this in some olive oil, a nice amount of sea salt, get a bunch of pepper on there. Okay, squash out of the oven, about 45 minutes. For the squash, we're just going in here and we're just tearing out the flesh, and we'll spread it with the seeds, which will be nice and crispy. We'll just spread it around the plate. Okay, pecorino toscano. Make sure you get the DLP stuff. If it has this thing, you know you're good. Okay, we're making very simple rustic shavings, so we just go really thin. You can use a vegetable peeler. This works pretty well. So we just sort of layer that through the squash. Okay, next up we got some prosciutto di Parma. I'm gonna curl that in. There's no need to be fancy. You kind of just want to keep it chunky and keep it rugged and ragged. A little olive oil on some arugula here, sea salt. Drop a little bit more olive oil over the top, a little sherry vinegar, and finally a little drizzle of that hot honey. So that'll give sweetness. You got the acidity from the vinegar, you got the richness from the squash, nice saltiness from the prosciutto, bit of green from the arugula. Easy and